What's good, guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna be making cheeseburger and fries. We got some snacks and drinks, and the drinks is strawberry watermelon prime energy drink. So come on, join me. First, we peel the potatoes. Then we wash it very good in room temperature water. Then we use the potato cutter to cut the potatoes into slides. Then we add a pinch of salt and make sure it's not salty. Here's my secret sauce, Michelle's maple cream syrup. You can find it at Walmart or any grocery store. Pour the syrup on the potatoes and let it soak for 10 minutes. Here is my burger meat. It is ground beef with a touch of parsley plus salt and pepper. My secret spice, oregano. Add tablespoon of oregano to the meat. And mix it well. Use a small bowl to make the meat brown. Ta-da! Now we have our round meat. Next step is a dangerous one, frying the fries. Be careful with the hot oil. When it comes to oil, I'm talking about oil. It's very dangerous, so if you don't know, get a grown-up with you so nothing bad can happen. Put one slice of fries in the oil pan. When it starts bubbling, then add the rest. make sure it is all covered in oil. Now we let it fry until it has a golden color. Fries turn brown or gold color, put the fries on a plate. Make sure there is a napkin under the fries so it will soak any oil. Now we're gonna grill the burger for 5 minutes and then we're gonna flip it on the other side for another 5 minutes. Set your oven to grill at 450 degrees Fahrenheit. It's cooking! It's gonna be delicious! While the meat is cooking, I'm preparing the order for the customer. While the burger is cooking, put the fries on the McDonald's box. Now we're gonna put my secret sauce, half ketchup, half barbecue sauce. Add cheese on top of the burgers. It's gonna be delicious, believe me. It's gonna be delicious. It's gonna be the best burger and best fries I've ever tried. The Altoot burger style, large fries and a prime drink, cookies, goldfish, and a yogurt airheads, and cheese and barbecue sauce and ketchup. And your total is $15.77. Here you go, sir. Let me get you your sauce. Thank you. Wow! It's so good. Wow! That's really good. It is. How was the food, sir? It was good. What part of the food do you like? I like it all. What was the ingredient in your fries? It's my secret recipe. I can't share it to you. How about the ketchup and the burger? Ketchup and barbecue sauce, sir. There's supposed to taste in the burger. What is it? It was oregano. My spicy food. I'm coming back again. Alright, see you next time.